The Central and Northeast Missouri Food Bank and the College of Agriculture, Food, and Natural Resources, or as better known, CAFNR, have jointly sponsored the Float Your Boat for the Food Bank for the second year in Columbia. Float Your Boat was an idea of the CAFNR dean who wanted to create a cardboard boat regatta as a fundraiser in Columbia.
Starting to go down a little in the front, which gets counterintuitive to these squares. They're coming back.
The Float Your Boat event raises money for the Central and Northeast Missouri Food Bank through the race entries, the People's Choice Award, and the concessions during the event.
We're pretty assured of $10,000 at this point. There is a wild card or two involved because we have each team's vote will be judged by the public prior to the Float Your Boat race, and the public is going to vote for their favorite, the People's Choice Award, with $1 a vote. And so we're going to have buckets in front of each boat Saturday, and we know that some of the teams have already stuffed their own ballot boxes with money, and to win the People's Choice Award. So that aspect of it, there's also concessions.
The boat race was held at the Bass Pro Shop Lake, where participants brought their cardboard boats to be displayed and to eventually race them. This year, 52 boats were entered into the race, and many had very elaborate designs.
The dragons were cut out on a computer milling machine. This logo was cut out on a computer laser cutter.
The boats this year raced two at a time around a course mapped out on the lake. Each boat's race time was recorded on the scoreboard to see who had the fastest time overall. Not all the boats made it to the finish line this year, but each participant wore life vests, and a kayak lifeboat floated nearby for safety precautions. One of the spectators' favorite part of the race was seeing some of the boats sink. While this event has proven to be a major fundraiser for the food bank over the past 2 years, it is also a lot of fun for the people of Columbia.
This year's event, it's going to be like Mardi Gras, it's going to be like going to the state fair, and it's going to be like a rodeo or a NASCAR race. I mean, it's going to be all of those things rolled into one big ball, colorful costumes, and people having a lot of fun. You know, it'll be a spectator's dream, it really will.
This year, the Float Your Boat for the Food Bank was able to raise $17,000. After the race, participants recycled their soaked cardboard boats and started brainstorming ideas for the next year's design.
Oh yeah.